Skinny girls weak, them hoes don't compare. Junk in the trunk looking like 2 pairs.
All I do is stay up all night, losing sleep over you. All I do.
What's up, you guys? I'm back today with another video. This video is going to be a little different. Today I'm going to be unboxing my new M1 Macbook Pro. Okay, this is the latest MacBook that just came out. This is the Apple Silicon Mac. Okay, so I don't really do a lot of like techie kind of things, but I am excited about this computer. I do already have a MacBook Pro, but mine's is a little bit older. Mine's is I think about 5 years old, and I was in the market for a new computer, and this one has been out for I think a couple of months now, so it's pretty much still in beta mode. There are a lot of cool new features. This is supposed to be the most powerful and fastest Mac to date, but of course, since it's in beta mode, it's gonna have some specific apps for just this laptop, as well as a lot of cool new features that are to come. Okay, so with that being said, I got mine from Best Buy. As you can see, my MacBook Pro was I think about $1,300. Here it is. See the box. This is the 13-inch one. I think the 16-inch one is $1,800 or something like that, but mine was $1,300. All right, so I wanted to unbox it with you guys because, you know, why not? So as you can see, it's still in the wrapper. All right. As a matter of fact, let me go grab my my current MacBook Pro so we can see if there's like any similarities and differences or whatnot. Hold on one second. So I got my current MacBook Pro right here. Okay. I hope this angle is good. I'm just sitting here at my dining room table. All right. So this is my current MacBook Pro. Can you see that it's a MacBook Pro? So this computer is still good and all that, but I was in the market for a new computer, you know, something fast, trying to upgrade my life a little bit. All right. So we got that. Let's go ahead and unbox it. All right. That's what we here for. So where is the tab? Of course, here's the tab. You see it? Here we go. I'm excited. It's opening. Ooh, okay. Okay, so here's my computer. I got it in space gray. Oh, you see? Here's the first thing. Look at how much thinner this new MacBook Pro is compared to my current MacBook. This one is like 5 or 6 years old. Do you see how thick it is? And this computer is like pretty heavy. Now look at this one compared to this one. Can you see it? Do you see how much thinner and lighter the new one is? Okay, so that's gonna be really good for like traveling and stuff. This is so nice and lightweight, you guys, all right? And this is supposed to be the like most powerful Mac to date. These new computers have the M1 chip. And what that is, it is supposed to be an integrated chip with an 8-core CPU, the GPU, the neural engine, the secure enclave, and system memory, all in one, which makes it super powerful yet streamlined. So, ooh, look at that. See that? Space gray. I think this is really pretty. I like how the apple is shiny chrome. This is beautiful. I'm not super techie, like I know a little bit, but I'm not super techie, so, you know. So that was the computer. Of course, this is the charging port, the C port charger. Here is the charger block. Okay. So that is what was in it. Inside here is some paperwork and of course the stickers and all that stuff that comes with it. Oh, chrome stickers. Usually the stickers are white. That's pretty cool. See that? So that's that. I did have to go and buy an external, I think it's called an external hub, because as you can see, these MacBook Pros come with a port right here for your headphones, and then it comes with 2 of these Thunderbolt ports, okay, but it doesn't have like the general USB like my current MacBook Pro. Do you see this one? How many ports my current MacBook Pro has? So I have all these, and mostly with that I use, it has my SD card reader right here, that I put my SD card for my camera for when I'm importing clips and stuff when I'm editing. So I had to buy a hub that has all the USB ports and my SD card slot, and I just connected. I connect the hub when it comes. It hasn't come yet. I just ordered it last night from Amazon. It's supposed to be here tomorrow, so I'm gonna connect the hub right here to one of these Thunder ports, and I'll have my SD card reader and my USB stuff. Okay, so that's one thing to keep in mind when you are buying the new MacBook Pro, the M1. No SD card reader. So, hey, did you hear that? They bought the sound back. When you open your MacBook now, it makes the sound look first time, everything. Okay? So while that's loading, let me tell you some specs. I did take a look at how fast that is. Super fast, okay? This is supposed to be the fastest, most powerful.
To use English as the main
You
language,
hear that?
press the return key.
Look at that. And look, I have my touchscreen touch bar. Touchscreen touch bar right there. All that's touchscreen. This right here is my fingerprint reader, just like how you have on your iPhone, which is super dope. Okay. What is like the biggest draw that I'm hearing everybody talk about from this new MacBook is the incredible battery life, okay? See, we learned that this new computer is so new that it's still in beta mode. Like, there's a lot of features that are just specific to this new computer that is going to be like new Apple specific features that's going to be on every new Mac. So a lot of new stuff is right here in this new computer, okay? But the biggest thing is they doubled the battery life of the MacBook Pro or the MacBook itself without having to have a bigger battery, which is why it's still super streamlined and so light and compact, okay? So this computer gives you 15 hours of wireless web and 18 hours of video playback. Okay, so what that means is you have all those hours of continuous time on your computer without you having to charge it. So if you're only using your computer a few hours a day or whatnot, you shouldn't have to charge your computer every day. You could probably go a few days without charging your computer, which is super dope. Okay. So this computer has Face ID. It has the fingerprint thing like your iPhone. Now I press continue. That's what it is. I gotta pay attention to what I'm doing. See, look at that. All this stuff, okay? This computer is supposed to have 5 times better graphic performance than any other MacBook. It runs on the new Big Sur OS system. It's supposed to download and upload files super fast, like to the point of, I think it was 3,000 megabytes per second, which is super duper fast. It's supposed to have super amazing performance. Of course, this is just the initial unboxing. I'm gonna have to, you know, play with it a little bit and then come back like maybe in a month or a couple of weeks or so and tell you how I'm liking it compared to my current MacBook Pro, which I love. This is my baby. This is what I currently use up to this day. This is my baby, okay? Like, do you see how right here with this, my current MacBook Pro, how when I opened the lid, it took like a couple of seconds for the light to come on? With this new MacBook Pro, it's like instantaneously, as soon as you open the lid, it's ready to go. Like, you see my MacBook Pro, when I just opened it, it took like 2 seconds or 3 seconds for the light to come on. This one, as soon as you open it, it's on. Okay, so that's super dope that it's like ready to go as soon as you need it. No waiting. The app integration is supposed to be dope, going in from app to app. And y'all, this right here is the future. Okay, so I'm gonna play around with this for a couple of weeks. I'll let you know how I'm liking it. $1,300. You know, I think it was a good investment. And yeah, this is my new M1 MacBook Pro. I'm very excited. I'm grateful to have it. I can't wait to play with it. I'll let you know how things is going. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to give me a big thumbs up. Leave me a comment below. Subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. And I'll see you guys in the next video. Don't forget to do your boo. Bye, guys.
Whoa, don't slip up or get